You've been told that lowering cholesterol means one of two things: taking medications or living on bland, tasteless foods forever. But what if I told you that's completely wrong? If your doctor just prescribed you statins, hold on, because new science says you can lower cholesterol naturally in 30 days without medication by making smart changes you actually enjoy. No pills, no boring diets, no side effects. So, how can you lower your cholesterol levels effectively in just 30 days? You're about to discover 8 ways to lower your cholesterol without medication. And number 7 might be the most powerful one no one talks about. Welcome back to HealthFlex, where your health transforms naturally. In this video, we're diving into how to lower cholesterol naturally in 30 days, using practical strategies backed by science and real results. From foods you should eat daily to surprising tricks like breathing and beverages, you'll learn how to lower your bad cholesterol without medication fast. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because the last method we reveal is so simple, but it just might be the key to reversing high cholesterol and heart disease naturally. Let's get started with the 8 ways to definitely lower bad LDL cholesterol without pills. 1. Eat oats every morning. Tired of skipping breakfast or relying on sugary cereals? That's a hidden cholesterol bomb. Most people think cholesterol only comes from fatty foods, but sugar and refined carbs can spike your LDL just as fast. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which binds to cholesterol in your gut and flushes it out. Include lower cholesterol diet recipes like overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. Eat this daily to lower your cholesterol. But do you know the one thing you should never add to your oats if you want to lower cholesterol fast? Stick around, we'll get there. 2. Add avocados to your lunch. Do you still believe fat is bad for your heart? That's outdated. The right fats can actually lower LDL and raise HDL, your good cholesterol. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and plant sterols, compounds that help lower down cholesterol naturally. Try lower your cholesterol recipes like avocado salad with olive oil and lemon. Coming up, there's a fat even better than avocado that most people never eat. Keep watching to find out. 3. Walk 30 minutes daily. Are you sitting more than 6 hours a day? Your heart's begging you to move. Exercise isn't just for weight loss. Just 30 minutes of walking can lower your LDL and increase HDL. A brisk walk daily improves blood circulation, clears triglycerides, and helps you lower high cholesterol and heart disease risk without needing meds. But there's an even easier movement that's been proven to help, and you can do it while sitting. Coming soon. 4. Snack on walnuts and almonds. Snacking on chips or crackers? You're unknowingly damaging your arteries. Nuts are often seen as fattening, but when eaten right, they're powerful cholesterol-lowering tools. Nuts contain omega-3s and plant-based sterols that block cholesterol absorption. Keep a handful as your go-to snack. It's one of the top natural ways to lower your high cholesterol levels. Want a delicious 3-ingredient snack that lowers LDL cholesterol? I'll reveal it later. 5. Drink green tea twice a day. Still sipping soda or sugary drinks? Most think drinks can't affect cholesterol, but beverages may be the most underrated weapon. Green tea contains catechins, natural compounds that improve lipid profiles and lower LDL. Try drinking this for 30 days and lower your cholesterol levels naturally and fast without medication. And if you mix green tea with one herb, its cholesterol-lowering power skyrockets. Keep watching. 6. Add more beans and lentils. Relying on meat for protein at every meal? That's clogging your arteries. Protein doesn't have to come from meat. Legumes offer the same muscle support, minus the cholesterol load. Beans and lentils are full of soluble fiber and plant protein. Add them to stews, salads, or soups. Classic lower cholesterol diet recipes that work. They'll help lower down cholesterol fast and support heart health. But what happens when you combine beans with one specific grain? It creates a cholesterol-lowering powerhouse. More on that shortly. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It lets us know you want more practical, natural solutions like this to lower cholesterol without medication. Plus, it helps others who need this info find it too. 7. Practice breathing to lower cholesterol. Are you constantly stressed or anxious? Your cholesterol is feeling it too. Few people know this. Stress increases LDL cholesterol, even if your diet is perfect. Deep breathing and mindfulness lower cortisol, a hormone that directly raises LDL. Just 10 minutes daily of breathing to lower cholesterol can reduce stress-induced damage. Later, I'll show you how to combine this with one food that amplifies results. If someone you care about is struggling to lower their cholesterol naturally, take a second to share this video with them. It might be the one thing that helps them avoid medication and take back control of their heart health, starting today. 8. Cook with garlic every day. Still relying on salt-heavy seasonings? You're sabotaging your cholesterol. Flavor doesn't have to come from salt or fat. Garlic is nature's secret weapon. Garlic contains allicin, which helps lower LDL cholesterol without medication. Add it fresh to soups, sauces, and stir-fries. It's a star ingredient in many lower your cholesterol recipes. But when combined with this drink, garlic becomes twice as effective. Want to know what it is? Let's wrap this up. You've made it to the most important part of the video, the answers you've been waiting for. Throughout the list, we left you with powerful questions designed to make you think deeper about how to lower cholesterol naturally in 30 days. Now, it's time to connect the dots. In this section, we'll go back through each of the 8 ways to lower your cholesterol without medication and reveal the specific answers to the questions that were holding the key to transforming your heart health. So if you've been wondering, how do I lower my cholesterol levels, or looking for lower cholesterol diet recipes that are both simple and effective, you're about to get clarity. Let's dive into the answers and give you the final tools to lower your cholesterol naturally, safely, and fast. 1. What should you never add to your oats if you want to lower cholesterol fast? Avoid adding refined sugar to your oats. While oats lower cholesterol, sugar cancels out the benefits by increasing inflammation and triglycerides. Instead, sweeten with cinnamon, berries, or a small amount of honey. 2. What fat is even better than avocado for lowering cholesterol? Extra virgin olive oil. It contains polyphenols and monounsaturated fats that reduce LDL and improve arterial flexibility. Drizzle it over salads or use it as a dip for whole grain bread to maximize benefits. 3. What's the easier movement than walking that still lowers cholesterol? Simple leg raises and stretching every hour, while sitting can improve circulation and lipid metabolism. But the real hidden gem? Rebounding light jumping on a mini trampoline. It's low impact and helps flush lymphatic fluid, supporting heart health. If you're serious about improving your health naturally, don't miss out. Subscribe to HealthFlex right now. We break down science-backed tips, powerful nutrition strategies, and practical lifestyle hacks to help you live better, longer, and stronger without relying on medications. 4. What's the delicious 3-ingredient snack that lowers LDL cholesterol? Almonds, dark chocolate 70% plus, and blueberries. This combo offers healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber, which together help reduce LDL and oxidative stress. A handful a day keeps the statins away. 5. What herb can you mix with green tea to boost its cholesterol-lowering effect? Holy basil tulsi. When steeped with green tea, it amplifies anti-inflammatory and lipid-lowering effects. It also supports liver detox, which is vital for managing cholesterol. 6. What grain should you pair with beans to create a cholesterol-lowering powerhouse? Brown rice or quinoa. These whole grains offer essential amino acids and more fiber. Together with beans, they form a complete protein that stabilizes blood sugar and helps reduce LDL over time. 7. What food can you pair with breathing exercises to amplify results? Dark leafy greens like spinach or kale. They are high in magnesium, which works synergistically with deep breathing to relax blood vessels and reduce LDL cholesterol. Combine morning breathing with a green smoothie for double the effect. 8. What drink makes garlic twice as effective for cholesterol? Warm lemon water. When taken with raw crushed garlic on an empty stomach, the combination supports liver detox, reduces arterial plaque, and significantly lowers LDL cholesterol levels. Drink this for 30 days and lower your cholesterol levels naturally and fast without medication. These are not just tips. They are powerful, natural strategies you can start today to lower cholesterol naturally in 30 days without pills. Now it's your turn. Which takeaway surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Now that you know exactly how to lower cholesterol naturally in 30 days, you're already ahead of the curve. But here's the truth. What you believe about cholesterol might still be holding you back. That's why your next step is to watch our video. Stop believing these 4 cholesterol myths now. You'll discover shocking truths, like why eating cholesterol-rich foods might not be the real problem, and why cutting out fat could actually be making things worse. If you're serious about transforming your heart health and finally understanding how to lower cholesterol effectively without medication, this is the missing piece. Watch it now. Your heart will thank you.